back to the Metro Bike Vibes. Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated launches of 2025, the all-new Ducati Diavel V4. This bike has been the talk of the town, and for good reason. It's bold, it's powerful, and it's packed with cutting-edge technology. So let's break it down and see what makes the 2025 Ducati Diavel V4 a game-changer in the world of performance cruisers. First up, let's talk about the design. Ducati has always been known for its head-turning aesthetics, and the Diavel V4 is no exception. The bike features a muscular, aggressive stance that screams power and sophistication. The sharp lines, the sculpted fuel tank, and the sleek tail section all come together to create a bike that's as stylish as it is functional. One of the standout design elements is the new LED lighting system. The front headlight is more angular and menacing than ever, while the rear light integrates seamlessly into the tail section, giving the bike a clean, modern look. And let's not forget those signature twin exhausts. Positioned low and wide, they add to the bike's commanding presence. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter, the performance. The 2025 Diavel V4 is powered by Ducati's legendary V4 Gran Turismo engine. This 1,158cc powerhouse delivers a jaw-dropping 1,068 horsepower and 93 lb-ff of torque. Whether you're cruising on the highway or tearing up the twisties, this bike has the grunt to keep you grinning from ear to ear. And it's not just about raw power. Ducati has worked hard to make this engine more refined and responsive. The throttle response is crisp and the power delivery is smooth, making it accessible for riders of all skill levels. Of course, no modern Ducati would be complete without a suite of advanced electronics. The Diavel V4 comes equipped with a state-of-the-art 6IMU, which powers features like cornering ABS, traction control, and wheelie control. You also get multiple riding modes: sport, touring, urban, and a customizable rider mode, so you can tailor the bike's performance to your liking. The 5-inch TFT display is your command center, offering crystal-clear graphics and intuitive navigation through the bike's settings. Plus, it's fully compatible with Ducati's multimedia system, so you can stay connected on the go. Now, let's talk about handling.